Travel insurance versus multi-trip versus single trip versus Gadget versus winter sports versus adventure sports. Which one is better for frequent travelers? If you travel often, getting the right insurance isn't optional, it's essential. Most people get this wrong by picking a policy based on price alone. The surprising truth is that multi-trip, single-trip Gadget, winter sports, and adventure sports insurance each cover very specific risks, and choosing the wrong one could leave you exposed. Single-trip insurance is perfect if you travel occasionally. It covers one journey, protecting you against medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. It's straightforward and cost-effective for short holidays or infrequent travelers. Multi-trip insurance is ideal for those who travel several times a year. Instead of buying separate policies, a single annual plan covers all trips up to a set duration, usually 30 or 60 days each. This saves money and ensures continuous coverage. Gadget insurance protects valuable tech like smartphones, tablets, and laptops while you travel. Lost or stolen devices can ruin a trip, but this cover can reimburse or replace them, keeping your tech and peace of mind intact. Winter sports insurance is designed for ski and snowboard enthusiasts. Standard travel insurance often excludes these activities, so specialized coverage protects against injuries, lost equipment, and pist closures, making it a must for snow lovers. Adventure sports insurance covers high-risk activities like scuba diving, rock climbing, or paragliding. These are usually excluded from basic policies, but dedicated cover ensures you're protected if the unexpected happens. So, which is better for frequent travelers? Multi-trip insurance forms the foundation, while Gadget, winter sports, or adventure sports add-ons can be included depending on your activities. Single-trip cover suits occasional travelers who don't need annual policies. The key takeaway is to assess how often you travel and what activities you do. Layering the right policy ensures you're protected from medical emergencies, cancellations, and activity-specific risks, giving you the confidence to travel smarter and safer.